Hey guys, so in today's episode, what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace my grill. As you can see here, that's my Toyota Tundra grill. Okay, I've customized it a little bit, and I put this whatever that is, the customized grill on it, and it's been on my truck for about 15 years. So, being that it's an old grill, it's developed a crack, and I'll show you how it looks like. So that's the crack right there, and I've riveted it together on the bottom like that. Well, you can't see it, but I've riveted it, and it's not good. It's old, it's flimsy, so it's time to replace this grill. And so I've checked online. I haven't been able to find one. Well, I did, and this thing costs a couple $100, meaning that it's so rare. So what I did today is that I went to the junkyard and I found one. See, it's a original grill. I haven't cleaned it yet because I just got home from the junkyard. So I'm going to be replacing this grill right here, okay, with a factory grill that I got from the junkyard for 15 bucks. Okay, so if you're interested in how to replace this grill, well, this grill, with this grill, follow along with me and let's go have some fun. Okay, so here it is. To remove this grill right here, you have to remove this nut, this nut, this nut, this nut, this nut right here. Okay, this nut right there, and it should come off along with these nuts right here. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so we're gonna remove this nut right here. Okay. Out comes one nut. Basically, that side just broke off. So we're going to be removing these two nuts right here. It comes. So we're gonna be, you see this thing right here? Okay, we're gonna be removing this part. Be right back. Okay. So I got this thing off there. Okay, see that? It's off. So here comes the hard part, or easy part, or however you want to call it. Goes in into the rightful place, and what we'll do is we'll use the nuts, bolt them back on the rightful place. So the old, you can see here, you see this part right here, the original one's still here. So what we're gonna do is we're not gonna, because the plastic here is very brittle right now, we're not gonna mess with it. Okay, the white plastic here. We are just going to be removing this. And remounting this. And you can see that, and you can see this. Okay, so 2 more bolts to go. Oh, 2 more nuts to go, actually. All right, one on this side right here, and one on the other side right over there. Okay, and I'll show you the end product in a bit. Okay, so I'm finalizing my tightening this. I don't want to over tighten it because it's plastic. Okay, so that's that. All right. Okay, so I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, so here it is. This is the original Toyota grill. Okay, and I'll show you. That was my custom grill. Okay, so I'm gonna save that aluminum billet grill right there, and maybe later on I'll reuse it. But for right now, I'm not using it. So this is how it looks like. The original, back to original. Let me know what your thoughts are, guys. Should I replace it with that billet grill again, or should I keep it stock? Let me know what your thoughts are.